How to fix lock screen on iPhone 14. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually fix your lock screen on the newest iPhone 14. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to fix your lock screen on the newest iPhone 14, all you have to do is, it depends upon what you're trying to fix, because if I show you my lock screen, it's just typically like this, right? It's a normal lock screen with a watch that you have with the timer icon and then everything else. And the problem over here is that, let's say you're having the widgets issue, you're having the wallpaper issue, you want to fix all of that, you can do that. For that, just long press on your lock screen like this, and then you'll come to the customization tab. So basically, first of all, you can actually choose a wallpaper that you want. So you can see some of the preset wallpapers here, and then you can tap on the customize button, then tap on lock screen. So what do you want to customize? Whether you want to customize the filters inside of it, as you can see over here, or whether you actually want to customize some of the icons and then add a depth effect, or you can tap on the add widgets button and then you can add a custom widget that you would like. Basically, you can just choose any of the widgets over here, and then once you choose a widget that you like, you can just select them just like this, and once you select the widgets, you can basically just tap on done button to fix it. Now in case this is all the too much to process, is very difficult for you, what you can do is open settings, go to general, and then you can just go to transfer or reset iPhone, then go to the option called reset over here, as you can see, then tap on reset all settings, or you can select reset home screen layout or whatever else you prefer, and then this iPhone is going to reset everything to its default settings. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.